Greeting to all. Now we are going to see the exercise 4.1 in chapter 4 practical geometry, a third problem. Parallelogram, that means construct the quadrilateral parallelogram MORE, that is more. OR is equal to 6 centimeter, RE is equal to 4.5 centimeter, EO is equal to 7.5 centimeter. And draw the rough sketch of the quadrilateral MORE and mark the requirement measurement on it. Here they given a parallelogram, so I just draw the picture of parallelogram. That is a rough sketch. So I am drawing the parallelogram. Okay, so this is the parallelogram. Now I just mark the measurement on it. MORE. See, OR is equal to 6 centimeter. So here it is 6 centimeter. Then RE is equal to 4.5 centimeter. And what is the other measurement they given? A diagonal, that is EO. So here is E and here is O. So that is the diagonal, that is 7.5 centimeter. So I am just joining these 2 points, means that acts as a diagonal. Now EO as 7.5 centimeter. So this is the rough sketch for what they given in the measurement in our textbook. Okay, so by using of this rough sketch we are going to draw the main picture. So for that the quadrilateral is having 2 triangles. So one is in the top and another one is in the bottom. So by that here we are having only one measurement, that is ER and OR as a given measurement. We don't know what is in the top. We are having all the measurement, but in the bottom we are having only EO as 7.5 centimeter, but we are not having this side and this side. So first we have to find these 2 sides, means we can able to draw the quadrilateral very easily. Yes, so we know one property. What is the property? For the parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel and equal, so that this side and this side should be equal, and this side and this side should be equal. So what is the property? Means parallelogram is having the opposite sides are equal and parallel. By using of that property I can able to write MRO is equal to 6 centimeter, means I can able to equate that measurement to ME also. So that RO is equal to ME is equal to 6 centimeter. Why? Here the opposite sides are equal and parallel. So I can equate this measurement to this side also. So merely we are going to follow the same thing. ER is equal to 4.5 centimeter, means this opposite sides are equal. So MO is also equal to 4.5 centimeter, such that ER is equal to MO is equal to 4.5 centimeter. By using of that I can able to draw the quadrilateral very easily. Let's come. We can draw the quadrilateral. Now take the common line segment. First draw the diagonals with the 7.5 centimeter. Draw the line segment of 7.5 centimeter. Mark that as E and O. 7.5 centimeter. Now we know MO is equal to 4.5 centimeter and ME is equal to 6 centimeter. By using of that I can able to draw the top triangle as well as the bottom triangle. First I draw the top triangle by using of ER and RO as the sides. Now I want to take the compass. Yes, with E as the center of measurement, with the radius of 4.5 centimeter in the compass, draw the arc. See, keep the needle at 0, extend the pencil tip till 4.5 centimeter and keep the needle at E. While E as the center, draw the arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. So by this I can able to find the R point. So OR is equal to 6 centimeter. OR is equal to 6 centimeter. So here keep the needle at 0, extend the pencil tip till 6. Now keep the needle at O and draw the another arc which cuts the previous arc. Yes, is it? The cutting of these two arcs makes one point, and that point is R. Now join ER and OR. Now I finished the top triangle. Now I have to move on to the bottom triangle with the same measurement. What is that measurement? ER is equal to 4.5 centimeter as well as RO as 6 centimeter. Now I move on to the bottom triangle. ME is equal to 6 centimeter. So I have to find the M vertex here. With that, E as the center and have the radius of 6 centimeter and draw one arc. Now take the compass with the measurement of 6 centimeter, that is having the radius of 6 centimeter. Keep the needle at E, which is E as the center. Draw the arc at the bottom. Yes. Now I move on to O with O as the center with the radius of 4.5 centimeter and draw the another arc which cut the previous arc at the bottom. See, from O to M it is having 4.5 centimeter. Keep the needle at O and adjust the compass till 4.5 centimeter. Now I am having the measurement of 4.5 centimeter in the compass. Fix the needle at O. Draw another arc which cuts the previous arc at one point. The intersection of the two arcs make one point. That point is called M. Now join EM and OM. Yes. Now I am having 6 centimeter as well as 4.5 centimeter. Yes, this is the quadrilateral which is a parallelogram of MORE. This is the required parallelogram MORE. I hope you can able to understand the construction of this sum. If you having any doubt, please comment. If you like it, share it. Thank you.